Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a pretty exciting one I've been looking forward to. I actually bought this box, Hacker Boxes 0074 Battle Axe. I bought it full price, and they are still in stock. But it's a badge, but it's a Guitar Hero, or Clone Hero, I guess. Let's take a look at what's inside. So we got the open source beanie, a bunch of parts needed to make the product, to build the product. Hacker Boxes lanyard slash guitar strap. USB-C to C. The Arduino. The custom PCB, the neck. This is going to be a really cool project. And the back. It's a lot bigger in person than it looked like on the HackerBox webpage. In fact, for this one, I'll probably zoom out the camera just a slight bit. Really cool sticker, SM60 PB40 heavy metal. And our HackerBox Battle Axe card to add to the collection. Got a blow up of the mechanical switches, the LEDs that we'll be using, and the Pro Micro AT-Mega 32 U4. Awesome. Well, let's get this going. Alright guys, well HackerBox 0074 Battle Axe is probably one of my new favorite hacker boxes. This is Guitar Hero is a game I played a ton as a kid. Played it with my family. It was just something we did from Guitar Hero 1 up. So being able to go back and play some of those games with this badge that I created is just awesome. So if you don't have the Battle Axe, I believe it is still available. I highly suggest going to get it. It is definitely worth doing. It's pretty simple. Some of the SMD stuff or surface mount stuff can be intimidating, but I think all of this is completely doable, even with just a simple soldering iron. I do have a heat gun, made it a little easier. But yeah, go check out hacker boxes. Pick up the Battle Axe. This is definitely probably my favorite hacker box today. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.